So today I'll cook bulalo for my neighbor because it's her birthday today. So I'm waiting for the water to boil. I'm not sure if this is the proper way how to cook bulalo, but this is my way. Okay. Now the water is boiling. I'll add and whole peppercorn. And now just let it boil again. Let's prepare the rest of the ingredients of corn, pechay, chili. Now I'll check if the meat is tender, loving care. And also I'll add this Knorr beef cubes to add more flavor. Anyway, I changed the pot to something bigger because the other one can't hold much more soup. But I don't have the cover of the pot. I forgot where I put the cover. So I made improvise. Not spoil it. I'll add this beef cubes. Ouch. Let's check the meat. And there you go. Now I'll let it boil and later I'll add the vegetables. And now let's add some corn. Now I'll add the potato. Now let's add the salt and pepper and this seasoning. I don't usually use magic setup, but I use this. Just a little amount of this. The salt, pepper, and a little bit of seasoning. I'll also add these 2 chilies to add some kick. Right now the meat is tender already, so later on I'll add the vegetables. Okay. Alright, so after 5 hours, let's now add the vegetables. Char. See, the meat is now soft and tender, so I'll add the vegetables. So good. I think it's done. I hope my neighbor will like it. I hope the birthday girl will appreciate this. Thank you. That's it for now, but I'll try it first. So good. Just a quick update. I finally found the cover of the pot. I actually asked my neighbor if she had it. I don't know how long she had this cover in her cabinet. Maybe a year or 2. Just kidding. But yes, perfect.